is one of the ways I make up to £1,000 to £2,000 right here in London.
Let's go. I did go Ghana to catch a good time. So this pretty girl.
Hello, what's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to give you guys an updated list on the side hustle that you can do right here in the UK. I made a first video on a side hustle. I think that was during the pandemic 2020 or 2021. You can go and check out this video here. Probably I would like you to go and watch that one before you come and watch this one, because some of those kind of side hustle still applies in 2022. So it will be better if you can just go and watch that video before you come back for this one. And let me tell you the truth, if you don't have a side hustle in the UK, I pity you. How do you think we are able to pay this humongous rent in London? We still drive the latest cars. We pay insurance. Come on, we don't owe anybody. Car insurance in London? Come on, man. It's crazy. You don't need anybody to tell you this. How do you think we survive paying all these bills in London? And we are still living the big boy life, you know what I mean? Side hustle. I'm not gonna tell you the side hustle that I'm doing, but from the list that I'm going to provide, I just want you to go through it and just try to reason which one sits well with you, you know what I mean? And the one that you feel is okay for you, just go and start making extra bucks. There's no time to waste. Without further ado, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into this video. The first one on my list is crafting. You may not understand how much this can fetch you right in the UK. I think the Brits love craft work. That's why you see it in offices, you see some of these works displayed all over the country. If you have a taste for craft work, I would say go for it. These materials are quite cheap to get, and believe me, what you get from it is going to be probably in thousands. It's just a matter of employing the skills and the creativity that you already have. Believe me, you are going to make tons of thousands of pounds in this country. Selling craft work for me is not even a problem. You have a popular site like Etsy, Amazon, and even eBay. Yes, you can sell your work on this site, and the process is just very, very simple. If you don't want to go online, take your product to local shops, bookstore, supermarkets. They are gonna buy your product. The second on my list is what I call direct selling. What is direct selling, you might ask? Direct selling is simply selling your product directly to customers in a non-retail environment. Simple. So this is how it works. You can make your sale in the house, when you are in the office, when you are at home, or probably even online like Facebook Marketplace and so many other places, Gumtree, all of that. You can even do it in a non-store location. I will tell you for free. Direct selling is one of the ways I make up to £1,000 to £2,000 right here in London. All you need to get into direct selling is to find a product and you have some money to buy this product. The moment you can buy this, you can now strategize how you're gonna sell it, whether you want to sell it in your home or your office. Like I said, my favorite product is laptop. I can buy a laptop in this street and I'll still sell it right on this street and make some profit. Sometimes I can take it to my office and somebody will call me, they come and get it. Direct selling, I love it so much. Find a product and voila, you start making money. The next on my list is dog walking. You don't need a university degree to start this side hustle. It's very, very simple. You don't even need any money to start this side hustle. There are so many side hustles that it would demand you to have some money, but this one, you don't need anything. All you need is your legs. Come on, use your legs and make money. If you have a little experience on the different breeds of dogs, I would say that's gonna be an added advantage for you, because some dog owners might want you to understand a particular breed of dog before they can release their dog for you. Me and you already know that Brits love dogs, and dogs are the most commonly owned pets right here in the UK. Dog ownership constitutes 34% in the UK alone, So there's a huge demand for this side hustle. Go on Indeed and you can find a lot of this side hustle, or you can just type on Google dog walking jobs near me. Shaper, have you ever heard of Shaper? Shaper is used by businesses to get feedback on goods and services that they provide, so they can use me and you to get the feedback on the services that they provide. And we are called the Shepherds. You can download this app on your phone, go through the registration process. So anytime you log in, you'll be able to see the tasks to accomplish. Each completed task earns a shepherd between 3 to 10 pounds. The company says an average shepherd makes up to £100 a week. So practically, it's a good side hustle to add to your normal work. I'll call the next one taxing. So this is where you do tax and perform services for others. So this can range from admin work to cleaning, driving, home improvement, packing, furniture removal, and a whole lot of them. Taxcar and TaxRabbit are the most popular apps for this side hustle. And these guys can connect skilled taxers with customers. TaxRabbit was on the other video. That's why I said you need to go and watch that video, because I did a detailed description of TaxRabbit. Yeah, go and check it out. Online survey. Yes, this is another way you can make money right in the UK. I love online survey because I just need to be on my computer answering questions. There are a lot of survey sites, too numerous to mention, I can't mention them. I know of for Curious Cats, Google Opinion Reward, Swagbugs, I Say, etc. There are a lot of them. You will just sit at the comfort of your computer and start answering this question. Pretty simple, and it earns you a whole lot of money. These online surveys help companies to make an informed decision about their business, and they also approach business in a better way that will be beneficial for customers and clients. I will title the next one, Sell Your Skills. A lot of us have skills that are inbuilt in us. Some of these skills we learn it on our own, on a computer, and some of them we learn it in a workplace. And all you do is you have been giving out these skills to only your company. Now, you can wrap up this skill, package the skills that you have, and you can make money from it. I will tell you. So many of us are good in graphic design, we are good editors, we are illustrators, and so many other skills. So you can convert this skill to a kind of a video tutorial, and you sell it in a popular online learning website such as Skillshare. You can as well create your account on Fiverr.com and you display your work for so many other people to see. They will contact you, pay you for some of this service. What if you write a PDF on something that you know how to do very well that a lot of people don't understand? It's going to fetch you some good amount of money. Yeah, sell your skill and make money. I also have Indeed Flex. Indeed Flex is an app that you can use to pick shifts probably from anywhere in the UK. This app can help you apply for casual shifts, and you can choose where and when you want to work. The app allows users to pick flexible and temporary shifts across a different range of sectors. This can be hospitality sector, catering, or logistics, a lot of them. And the last on my list is food delivery. Let me read this to you, just listen. Delivery food companies say that riders always earn more than the minimum wage, and that average riders earn almost double. I would say this is the most lucrative side hustle right in the UK. You can even convert this to a full-time business. If you can do this, because I'm not gonna lie to you, a whole lot of people cannot do this side hustle. It's risky because all the time you are on the road, either you are driving or you're cycling. Come on, the road is a crazy place. Anything can happen to you. But believe me, this side hustle is the best. Riders respond to an app by telling them where to collect food from and deliver it to. Even though the side hustle is risky, I will still tell you for free that the risk is proportional to the money that you are gonna earn. So if you are someone that loves cycling, I would say you are making money having fun. At the same time, you are exercising. It helps your body. So in the real sense, you are losing nothing. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Let me know your thought on this side hustle that I've provided. Let me know the one that you jump into the moment you finish watching this video. And yeah, let me know that in the comment section. You know how we do it. You share the video because it's not only you that wants to make some extra money. And like the video, hit the red subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Boom.